Welcome back to another Polly Pocket review. Today we're going over another one of my favorites. We are going to talk about the 1996 Polly Pocket Surgery on the Go Out and About. I keep it in this little box because it is small. So in total, it measures about 4.5 inches long, it's about 1.5 inches tall, and about 1.5 inches thick. And I'll put the metric somewhere on the screen. As you can see, it does move. Whee! So this one was just kind of fun as a kid, just to push around, pull around. So we're gonna just leave it there. I kind of like that it's on there, and we're going to look at this one. So the trailer is a really pretty lavender color, and the Jeep is pink with green interior, green bumper, and a green hitch / fender. The alternate name for this one is Polly's Pet Surgery Tiny World. So with this one, we get four accessories. We have Polly, so the Jeep and the trailer do come apart. I don't like to take them apart very often, so normally it's pretty difficult to snap off. So it is separate, so Polly can, go and drive around. The underside is also green, and it has some identifiable markings. And same with the trailer. Get a close-up of just that. It's got 2 windows on each side, 2 wheels, pink bottom. We can see that logo, everything there too. And there's a green door on the back, and 2 more windows on the other side, as well as a skylight. And then it just pops right back on. There we go. Like I said, I don't take it apart often, so. And then when we open her up, there is an animal case, and this fits in the back of the Jeep. It can fit like that, or like so. And then we have a very little cat, and his name is Fluff. And then we have Raggle the dog. He is a black and white dog. He's pretty cute. And those are the 4 pieces. So now let's just dive into the interior. The action pieces, obviously it rolls. We've gone over that part. And then the door here does move as well. And then detachable. We have a few spots where the animals can sit. And when we look at the interior, we can see there is 2 couches, little seating area. It looks like she's got some drinks set up, some snacks and food. And then when we go over here, it's her actual clinic. We see the stethoscope, we see the sink. I love how there's a differentiation between the flooring. On the vet side, it looks like it's nice tile, and then in the living area, it looks like it's carpet. And it even, you can do some ASMR with it. And here's my hand in comparison to it. Scoot over a little more. So I mean, she's small. She's been around for a very long time, and I really wanted to showcase her next. I don't see her around very often. She's beautiful, simple, classic. That's it. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed this one. Again, it's the 1996 Polly Pocket Pet Surgery on the Go. You can find it on eBay. I've seen a few. But that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little showcase for this vintage Polly Pocket. She's fun, adorable, girly, but a really cool and fun piece to have. I'm very happy that I still have it and all of its pieces in my collection. And I'm going to leave it there for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please consider subscribing or like the video and leave a comment below on your favorite vintage Polly Pocket. If I have it, maybe I will review that one next. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing next week. I still haven't decided as I am in the process of moving. I will see you all on the next one. Take care, be safe,